Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the use of data classes in Kotlin. Data class is also a new feature in Kotlin which is required when you don't want to implement some methods in class, just you want to use the property of a class. So let us start. We can say data class. Data class is always start from data. So data class, and we say rectangle, and I want this only length in type and breadth of also in type. I want only length and breadth of rectangle. So no need to implement any method or declare any method in this class because it's a data class. Just you need data, length and breadth. In data class you can also implement some method, but not your method. You can override the method like toString or other by default method which is already available in a class. Then you can override those method, but basically we use just for properties or values. Now I create a main method. Within a main, if I declare r1 equal to rectangle, and we are initializing the value like this, length and breadth, so we can print display area also. So area of rectangle 1 equal to r1 dot length into r dot breadth. Again we can make copy paste, then object 2 r2 different length and breadth, so we can change length and breadth also. Okay, now in place of r2 r1 we can put r2, in place of rectangle area 1 we can put 2. So if we run this class, this example, you see the output. The area of rectangle 1 is this and area of rectangle 2 is this. So we are not declaring any method in this class, and only we are using a data keyword in front of a class, and we are creating a property and a constructor of this class, and we are using like this. So it's a very unique feature and very useful also. Sometimes we don't want to implement any method in a class, we want to declare only variable. So in Kotlin we can create variable only, and we can use whenever we want. This is the concept of data class in Kotlin. See you again in more lectures. Bye.